The concept of unlocking more than 10% of your brain has captivated the human imagination for decades, if not centuries. From science fiction movies to self-help books, the idea of tapping into the unused potential of the brain has been explored in various forms. But is it really possible to access more than 10% of your brain's capacity? If yes, then how? Watch this video until the end to understand how you can unlock your brain's true potential. It's true that we don't use every part of our brain at the same time, but this doesn't mean that the rest of our brain is dormant or unused. In fact, various regions of our brain are constantly active, even when we're engaged in seemingly mundane tasks. The idea that we only use 10% of our brain is a myth that has been debunked by neuroscientists. Instead, the real challenge is to optimize the way we use our brains. So, let's explore the 9 different ways on how to unlock more than 10% of our brain. Number 1. Get enough sleep. In this age of social media, we are often more tempted to stay up late scrolling through our news feeds than get adequate sleep. But the truth is, quality and quantity of sleep has a powerful influence on our mental capabilities. When our bodies get enough rest, it acts as a catalyst for unlocking the full potential of our minds. By getting a steady 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night, we can tap into the extraordinary capacity of our brains. Adequate sleep time helps to consolidate memories, process information, and regenerate cells. This allows us to perform better on cognitive tasks and help improve mental clarity. Sleep also plays an important role in promoting long-term brain health. When we sleep, our brain is better able to clear out toxins that accumulate during the day, reducing the risk of cognitive decline as we age. Not sleeping enough can lead to a range of cognitive problems, such as decreased attention span, impaired memory, and reduced creativity. So you have to set up a consistent schedule in which you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep as the supreme priority. Number 2. Maintain a healthy diet. A healthy diet is another important key to unlocking more than 10% of your brain's potential. A healthy diet includes important nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that can help improve brain function, boost memory, and enhance cognitive performance. So, what is a healthy diet? A healthy diet includes eating plenty of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients help to keep our brains healthy, promoting better focus and optimal performance. Not just that, they also sustain healthy brain cells, allowing increased concentration and higher levels of productivity. Depending on your lifestyle and body composition, you have to follow a proper plan that fulfills your daily calorie intake requirement and provides you with the necessary nutrients. When your body gets the fuel it needs, it not only helps your physical health, but also boosts mental activity. Number 3. Stay hydrated. We all know that around 70% of the human body is made up of water, but most of us don't know how water can actually help unlock more than 10% of our brain's potential. Staying hydrated is essential for brain function, as dehydration can lead to decreased cognitive performance, impaired memory, and reduced focus. When your body is properly hydrated, the brain receives adequate blood flow, which consequently delivers the essential nutrients and oxygen that it needs for optimal functioning. This means that drinking enough water throughout the day can actually help boost your mental performance and help you think more clearly. Now, some of you might not know how much water is enough for your body. Well, the general recommendation is to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, but this can vary depending on your age, gender, and activity level. Number 4. Practice spirituality and meditation. Spirituality and meditation are great ways to tap into our brain's full potential. Taking some time out from your hectic lifestyle to meditate can have profound effects on your mental health. It helps to reduce stress and anxiety, boosts creativity, and enhances concentration. Meditation can also help you stay calm, allowing you to make better decisions and think more clearly. When you practice meditation, it helps to reduce the chatter in your mind and to become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. This allows you to become more mindful, making it easier for you to stay focused and be more productive. Remember that you don't need to be an expert in meditation or spirituality to start tapping into your brain's full potential. All it takes is just a few minutes of practice a day and you can start experiencing the benefits. Number 5. Consider hypnosis and lucid dreaming. Now, this is something that not many people know about. A hypnotic trance is a state of focused consciousness in which you are more open to suggestions and more responsive to stimuli. It is a state in which you can access your subconscious mind and tap into its full potential. Hypnosis can be used for a variety of purposes, including improving concentration, boosting creativity, and increasing confidence. Similarly, lucid dreaming is a technique that helps you become more aware and take control of your dreams. It can help you explore hidden areas of your subconscious and bring about positive change in your life. Through the practice of lucid dreaming, you can explore and actively control your dream content, which can help to boost your mental performance and creativity. Number 6. Practice mindfulness. Numerous scientific studies have shown that practicing mindfulness can significantly improve our cognitive abilities, mental health, and overall well-being. Mindfulness means to focus on the present moment, to be aware of our thoughts and feelings, and to observe them without judgment. Practicing mindfulness has been found to improve focus, attention span, and concentration. It has also been found to reduce stress and anxiety, improve memory, and increase self-awareness. Of course, when you want to unlock your brain's full potential, it is important to have an open and non-judgmental mindset. Practicing mindfulness can help you achieve this, and it's a great way to tap into your brain's full potential. Number 7. Engage in physical activity. A healthy body has a healthy mind, and to keep your body healthy, physical activity is essential. Most of us have office-based jobs where we don't have to put in much physical effort. With such a type of work schedule, regular exercise becomes really important. Regular exercise can have a positive effect on your mental performance and can help you stay sharp and focused. Studies have shown that physical activity increases blood flow to the brain and helps to improve cognitive functions such as memory, creativity, and problem solving. It also releases endorphins, the hormone that gives you a feeling of well-being and happiness. In short, regular physical activity can be considered one of the keys to unlocking your brain's full potential. Number 8. Reduce screen time. In this advanced age of technology, it is hard to stay away from our screens. We are surrounded by different types of gadgets and devices that help us in many ways. But spending too much time staring at the screens can be detrimental to our mental health and performance. Studies have shown that excessive screen time can lead to decreased attention span, impaired memory, and reduced cognitive function. So, how do you make sure that you're not spending too much time in front of your screens? One simple way is to limit your screen time. Set yourself a daily limit and then make sure to stick to it. This can help you take a break from the digital world and give your brain time to rest and recharge. Number 9. Never stop learning. Last but not least is that you should never stop learning. Our brain is capable of learning new things every day, and it is important to keep it active by engaging in new activities. Learning something new can help to improve your memory, increase creativity, and sharpen your mental acuity. For example, learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or mastering any new skill can have a positive effect on your mental performance. If you are a self-learner, you'll find it a lot easier to keep your brain active and alert. But if you are among those who require guidance, you can enroll yourself in a course or a workshop that will help you to develop your skills and boost your mental performance. So, this is how you unlock more than 10% of your brain. Everyone on this planet is capable of achieving something amazing, and by taking the right steps, you can unlock your brain's full potential and become the best version of yourself. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to keep yourself updated with new content. Midas Minds will continue to spread knowledge. The mind is powerful. Thank you for watching.